Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Gencoin Capital. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Today on my channel, a secret crypto gem that came across my desk, Gencoin Capital. This crypto project right here is sitting at a $1.8 million market cap. Currently has 1,000 holders and has 433,000 in liquidity. Now, if we go to Gencoin's website, to buy any altcoin I talk about on my channel, 9 times out of 10 it's an ERC20 token. You have to buy it on Uniswap. For Gencoin, you will have to copy the contract address from the website, paste it within Uniswap, and swap your Ethereum for Gencoin in order to buy Gencoin. Remember, it's not financial advice. I'm just going over this video if you were interested in this project to let you know what I think about it. So if we stroll down, we'll see what is Gencoin. Now, Gencoin really acts like a treasury for the holders, right? It takes a percentage of all of the money from the buy and sell, and it reinvests that money back into the project, incentivizing the holders for long-term growth. They plan on being long-term Gencoin Capital. We will have to see how the developers take their opportunity and develop this project, but this project plans on incentivizing the holders for a long term, doing token buybacks, holder giveaways, and different charity events. If we go down, you see all of the different official links, right? They have the liquidity lock, the Uniswap link, the tax wallet link, the contract link. This contract has been audited. They are listed on both CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, so you'll be able to go right here and have quick access to all of the links. I'll have the link to the main website in the description along with the contract address, so make sure y'all check that out. If we go down, you will see how the Treasury Fund is designed. So 4% tax from every buy and sale is deposited into Gencoin's capital treasury. These funds will be invested in other crypto projects. Gencoin utilizes this Treasury Fund to make safe investment. Gencoin will also take some of the profits and do token burns or buybacks, and they'll also give charitable donations in different holder events. So if we keep strolling, you'll see the tokenomics of Gencoin. It's 100 quadrillion Gencoin, a 13% total tax that's divided between the Treasury Fund at 4%, marketing at 4%, team pay at 2%, auto LP or liquidity at 2%, and this coin has a 1% reflection. So just for holding this coin, you will receive more coins just by holding this coin, right? Now you can see right here how they're planning token growth. Gencoin has been designed to utilize several factors that will help it maintain a constant growth. It's been set up as a deflationary token. Half of the supply was already burnt at launch, and the Treasury Fund will provide token buybacks that will be burnt to further stimulate price action. So I really like this project. I like when projects do burns and buybacks. So I really like that about this project. They planning on doing different burns to help increase the floor price of this project over time. Definitely, if you holding this, is something to keep holding on when developers start talking like that. Y'all know how to buy this coin. You buy it on Uniswap. All you would have to do is import the Gen Capital contract address, and you'll be able to buy it on Uniswap, right? We keep strolling, you will see the Treasury Distribution, 10% buyback, 10% charity, 10% coin sniping, 35% low to mid risk, 25% on high risk investments, and 10% going to NFTs, right? We stroll down, you'll see the roadmap. Right now we're in a pre-launch. They're currently launched the website, the white paper, liquidity lock, tokens burn. They did a Twitter space. They did the first giveaway, right? And Gencoin roadmap is in 8 phases, with the final phase being a $5 billion market cap and 500,000 holders. So they're very bullish on their project, right? I recommend anybody that's interested in Gencoin to check out this website. Make sure you follow them on Telegram. Watch the chart, see what's happening with the chart. This project could potentially blow up in the future. You know, who knows? This is cryptocurrency. Again, it's not financial advice, but I make these videos so y'all can go out and do your own research and see what's best for you. So It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.